Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see recently watched reels on Snapchat. So to do that, I'm heading over to the Snapchat application first. Once in there, I'm heading over to my reels option. And here, as you can see, I'm watching a reel. I have given like it. And if I go back and there is an option, and here I have to head over to my Bitmoji on the top left, and here tap on the gear icon on the top right. Now scroll down until you find the option of my data, and in here you find an option. Here it is taking time to load, so here you find the option of downloading your data, and so you can just download your data from here and then watch your or see your watch reels on your Snapchat. So yeah, this is how easily you can do it. I hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.